Hello everyone, myself Pankaj. Welcome to Being Fishco. Last time we discussed MCQs related to fish nutrition and feed technology. Now we will be dealing with MCQs related to fish physiology. All these MCQs are very important for your exam, whether you are appearing for ICAR PG, PhD or any fish related exam. These MCQs are very important for those exams. So let's begin with MCQs related to fish physiology. So first of all, which organ primarily regulates osmoregulation in marine teleost? So the correct answer is gills. Swim bladder in physostomous fish is connected to. So it is connected to gut. Which hormone regulates ion balance in fishes? So the correct answer will be cortisol. Hyperosmotic regulators are typically found in. So they are typically found in freshwater fishes. Chloride cells in gills help in. So it helps in salt excretion. The main nitrogenous waste in most teleost is. So it is ammonia. Which part of the brain in fish is responsible for olfaction? Correct answer will be olfactory bulb. Which pigment is responsible for oxygen transport in fish blood? So it is hemoglobin. The term euryhaline refers to fishes that those can tolerate wide range of salinities. Which of the following is absent in cyclostomes? So that is jaws. Fish blood has which type of red blood cell? So it is nucleated. Primary function of the lateral line in fish is, so it is for detecting water movement. Which type of muscle is predominant in fish swimming? So it is white muscle. Buoyancy regulation in bony fish is achieved mainly by, so it is achieved by swim bladder. What is the role of prolactin in freshwater fishes? So main role is osmoregulation. Which hormone initiate oocyte maturation in fish? So it is 17 alpha 20 beta DHP. Vitellogenesis is primarily regulated by, so it is regulated by estradiol 17 beta or 17 beta estradiol. Male reproductive hormone in fish is, so it is testosterone. Ovulation in fish is triggered by, it is triggered by LH surge. Spermatogenesis is supported by, it is supported by Sertoli cells. GSI, that is gonadosomatic index, increases during, so it increases during spawning. Zona radiata is present in, it is present in egg membrane. Oviparous fish species exhibit, so it exhibit external egg laying. In fish, the hypothalamus regulates reproduction via, so that is by GnRH. Which hormone is associated with final gamete maturation? So it is 17 alpha hydroxyprogesterone. Testicular lobules are lined with, so they are lined with germinal epithelium. Process of yolk deposition in fish ova is called, it is called vitellogenesis. Which is not a secondary sexual characteristic in fish? So among the options, it will be swim bladder. Androgens are mainly produced by, so they are produced by Leydig cells. Oocyte development in fish is classified as, so it is oogenesis. Fish possess how many chambers in their heart? So it is 2. Respiratory pigment in fish blood is hemoglobin. Gill arches in teleost are usually 4 pairs. Oxygen exchange in gills follows counter current flow. Heart of fish is located anterior to the liver. Bulbous arteriosus is found in teleost. Which fish can respire through skin and gut? Eel. Accessory respiratory organs are seen in case of Clarius, that is catfishes. Fish gills are protected by, so they are protected by operculum, that is gill cover. Respiratory surface in fishes, so it is gill lamellae. The function of spiracle in elasmobranch is, so that is water intake for respiration. Fish heart pumps blood primarily to the, so it pumps to the gills. What increases the surface area for gas exchange in gills? So it is gill lamellae. What is the role of sinus venosus? To receive the venous blood. In air breathing fishes, oxygen is absorbed via, so it is absorbed via modified gut or labyrinth organ. Pineal organ in fishes is responsible for, it is responsible for light perception. Which is a stress hormone in fishes? So it is cortisol. Hypothalamo-hypophyseal axis in fish regulates, so it regulates endocrine functions. Thyroid gland in fish is scattered around pharyngeal region. Electroreception is well developed in, so it is well developed in case of eels, or that is electric eel. Pituitary gland in fish is located in, so it is located in skull base. Melanin concentrating hormone controls, so basically they controls color change, that is melanin concentrating hormone. Which gland produces prolactin in fish? So the answer is pituitary. Main glucocorticoid in fish is, so the answer will be cortisol. Which sensory system detects water movement? Answer will be lateral line. What is the function of Mothner cells? So the correct answer will be, they perform the function of quick escape response. Which hormone promotes growth in fish? That is GH, growth hormones. Hormone inducing smoltification in salmonids, that is cortisol. Nerve conduction in fish is via, so that is via synapses. Pineal gland secretes, so they secrete melatonin. Main nitrogenous waste in freshwater teleost, it is ammonia. Digestive enzyme in fish includes all except, so except cellulase it includes all, that is trypsin, amylase and lipase. Stomach is absent in, so stomach is absent in carp that have agastric stomach, or that are termed as agastric. Pyloric ceca function in, so they are functioning in digestion. Pronephros in fish is a, so it is a excretory organ. Which part of the nephron is responsible for filtration? So it is glomerulus. Which fish has labyrinth organ for air breathing? So basically it is found in catfishes, that is magur or Clarius batrachus is the best example for it. Taste buds in fish are found all over the body. Barbels function as, so they basically function as sensory organs. Carnivorous fish usually have, so they have short intestine. Eurythermal fishes are those that can tolerate wide temperature range. Which enzyme is absent in most fish? So it is cellulase. Which fish uses both gills and skin for respiration? Again the same question, it is eel. The fish sensory system that senses vibration is, so the answer will be lateral line. Aminotelic fish excrete, so basically they excrete ammonia. So that's all for this video. In this we discussed 75 MCQs related to fish physiology. I will be back with more such videos related to different courses of fisheries science. So stay tuned for more such update, and thanks for watching.